First of all, I will tell you a real story. One of my client in 2022, he was started dropshipping with me because he know that I am a supplier. That's why we started everything from scratch. So he lost $1,000. I mean red. Okay, everything is red. Go down, and he almost his business is got died. Okay, so the number one mistakes is he chose a wrong niche. What was the niche? The niche was very common jewelry. I told him why you chose it because he told that he is passionate about it. He loved this. That's why in these countries it's very demand, and lot of theory he showed me. But in this year, these all are very destroyed. Okay, so 5 dropshipping niche I will tell you to avoid, because if you see in YouTube or in social media, dropshippers are making millions of sales, and if you start like them, then definitely you will fail. But if you want to follow my strategy, if you because every video you can learn at least 1% than others. Okay, so first of all I want to tell you, learn, gather skills, knowledge, then come to this industry. Okay, so 5 dropshipping needs to avoid. Number one is furniture. Okay, because at a first glance furniture may seems like a high ticket jackpot. However, its bulky nature can lead to exorbitant shipping cost and higher likelihood of damage during transport. This has potential to complicate it, because people don't want to spend 500 600 for buying a furniture. Those people are working in or shopping in online, they always like to purchase under $100. Okay, so furniture, no need to choose. This is a very bad niche. Okay, 100% guarantee you will fail in this niche. Number two is clothing. You cannot sell like general clothing, t-shirt, hoodies, pants, others like general. Those are available in local shops. Okay, please don't choose this niche. Number three is health products. I mean beauty, shampoo, sunu powder. Okay, a lot of general products have in this health niche. So please don't focus on health products. I mean, if you can make a unique product that is very different from others, then you can start with health niche. Okay, my suggestions. Number four is watches. Yes, high ticket dropshipping looks great for the high profit margin, but these numbers can be deceptive in the watch market, which is saturated. Yes, the watch market almost saturated. I am very surprised, and I feel very sad that in 2022, 2021, 2022, and even the last year of 2024, that watches niche is very good. 50% success rate was. Okay, but right now I see this lot of competition, and it's almost 90% is saturated niche. Okay, so please don't sell this watches niche. You can sell like very uncommon, very luxurious watches and very funny watches. Okay, those types you can try, but in generally I don't recommend to sell watches. First of all, I will tell you a real story. One of my client in 2022, he was started